Okay, welcome to your first mock PI. I'll introduce you to the panelists who will be taking your mock PI today.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
we have Taruna Vasu ma'am. She is an associate director and head of department of School of Fashion Design at UID. And we have Abad Ali sir. He is a business head of Pehel Design, also a management expert with more than 12 years experience. So I
Hello,
would
ma'am.
request Abad sir. Would you like to start?
Yeah, that's great. Hi, Tanisha. Very good afternoon. How are you doing?
I'm good, sir. How are you doing?
Very well, very well. So, Tanisha, would you like to tell why did you choose this industry?
Sir, because I'm from the starting, I'm into creative things and all. I have been doing art from my childhood. I like designing things. I like painting things, sketching and all. From my very first, I guess I'm from LKG. I've been doing this art and all. So I studied BSc Animation and Multimedia from Birla Institute of Technology. And then after I want to explore this field more, so I'm thinking of doing MDes.
Okay, so when did you thought first time to go for the designing program?
Sir, I've been studying uh, for medical. Then I thought ki I have been doing art from my childhood. I should explore this field. Then I asked my parents to do that and all. After that, I thought ki let's do animation and multimedia.
Hmm. So, which course you going for?
So for masters, I'm thinking of MDes, master.
Do you know what are the specialization they are offering?
Yes, sir.
What are they?
The UI UX interaction design. Oh, sorry, UI UX and I've, I know, but I don't remember the names right
Okay.
now.
So, do you know, I mean, what kind of the subjects will help you into your future? What are the programs you're looking after, and what actually will help you to shape your career?
So actually, I've seen the prospectus and I've read about UI UX.
Hmm.
So I'm working right now as a graphic designer
Hmm.
for a startup. So I think this will help me more in the UI UX part.
Hmm.
So I think I should go for the UI UX one.
Acha, okay. Can you give any two examples for this?
Any two examples
UI UX.
of UI UX? UI, the website we see,
Hmm.
which we go through when we order something or like that. That's the interface is the UI, and the UX part is the interaction part. Like we click the phone number button or the mail button. Then the other dialog box opens. That's the interaction part.
Okay. All right. Over to you, ma'am.
Tanisha, I would like to know can you give me two examples of the same sector where you have experienced one fabulous user experience and another brand or another name where you had a very bad experience? And can you tell me what made the difference?
We can compare two brands like Myntra and Zara and H&M. As the Myntra app has all the links to send to people and all, but the H&M doesn't offer that. You have to screenshot the whole page for that. You can't send the link to the other person that he can order something like that. You should know the article number and all. That's why this comparison, I think so, will help.
And you've used both of these apps
Yes, yes.
and you found that Myntra is far more
More,
convenient, more
more, more user friendly, I think.
more user friendly just because of this feature, or is it something else?
Ma'am, the interface is very pretty easy at Myntra. Anybody can use it. The H&M app is a little complicated.
Maybe they don't want everybody to use it.
Yeah, like we can say that, because it's pretty expensive than the Myntra app. But Myntra also offers H&M clothes, so I don't think so that's the problem.
You don't think that's the problem? Okay. So you think maybe H&M is not spending right on the designers?
They are more into minimal design. That's why.
Mhm. Okay, so how do you think, how important is consumer research in getting to know uh, the issues with the UX or UI?
Ma'am, it plays a big part, as if consumer is not satisfied with the मतलब website and all, then it's of no use, क्योंकि वो हम उसी के लिए बना रहे. We are using this.
So Tanisha, tell me, if you were in, let's say, Myntra, and you get, and I'm being a little hypothetical here, and they ask you to do consumer research, two questions that you would like to put in your consumer research.
Two questions that I would like to put in consumer research.
And what is the strategic way to ask, when or where or how to ask those questions to the consumers? Because also when and where we ask is also experience, right? We cannot ask them at a petrol pump.
Yeah.
So
We can ask them that after they have ordered something, we can ask the feedback and all. How do you like the website and how do you like the interface and all? What was your experience?
you think that's the best timing to ask?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay, it's okay. You have to be confident. And what is the two questions you would ask?
The two questions I
Myntra already is asking, not that, something else you feel you should ask.
Hmm.
Okay, it's all right. Just tell me one more thing. Okay, so there is a huge population in India which still doesn't do online shopping.
Yeah.
So why do you think they're still not going for online shopping? What could be the causes? Let's talk specifically about fashion, let's say, because that's the conversation we are having.
Ma'am, because size issues, ma'am, and colors, the screen colors are different, and sometimes you get different product
Mm.
according to the color and sizes also. All the sizes are not similar of all the brands.
But that's a problem everybody would be facing, no? That's not.
Ma'am, some body are different.
Huh?
Ma'am, some body shapes are different. People have different body shapes.
Okay,
So,
I think it's more about mindset than that. Some people
yeah,
need
you
to
can say
develop.
as my parents don't allow us to shop online. They're like, go to the store and buy things. Because you will get the feel of the cloth and all. You will get to know like that. And maybe
So
right now,
how can you encourage your parents to go for online shopping for clothing? And
by
that's the last question.
letting them know that there is discount. You can order online. There are discounts and you can get the product at your home without doing any hassle. You can click on it and order. You don't need to go to the store.
Okay, yeah, that was my last question. So maybe we'll do the feedback now, Tanisha.
Yes.
Okay.
I think you have a knowledge and a sense of what you've been doing and why. I just felt that you come across a little slightly casual,
Okay.
slightly. So your conversation, communication, and all is fine, and your understanding is also good to start with as of now. But get, just be a little bit more formal. And I think sometimes even if we present ourselves formally, it changes our approach and how we go about. So that I felt is important because it's still an interview, and that it looked like you're talking to a friend a little bit. So that is a strong feedback that I'd like to give. Otherwise, your voice comes across clearly, your thoughts are clear. You could do a little bit more research, but you have an understanding of at least what is the field that you're getting into. Your clarity is there. Just work on this, I think.
Okay, ma'am. I'll try to work on that.
Yeah.
Yeah, hi, Tanisha. What I feel is like the feedback ma'am gave, that's important. And see, you need to have first thing you need to see whenever you're going for the interview, you need to change your background. That's very important. The presentation is very important, right? There has to be a change, right? According to the PI, it is very mandatory to have these things, right? And second thing is like the way you are answering, it's wonderful. The way you're interacting, that's also one of the good thing, right? until the candidate is not open to the interviewer, right? It looks like they're not connected. You are very much connected. Your eye contact is very good, and I guess that this will help you out to have more marks. Little go idea behind, what are the subjects they'll help you out, right? What kind of subjects explorations is important, and the idea of the textile industry will help you into market, right? This will
Okay.
definitely improve your good marks, right?
Okay.
Chalo, all the best, Tanisha.
Thank you, Tanisha. I hope you work on the feedbacks given by the panelists. We'll get
Yes.
in touch with you with the next mock PI.
Okay.
All the best, and you can leave the meeting. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.